Hey guys, I got another eBay coupon there last week, so I made another order with Mirage Trading there. So I'll open this sucker up. It's another box of Premier. Right there. There's some extra in here. Usually Mirage is good for that sort of thing. In there, okay, great. Okay. Oh, PK Subban, you gotta love that. Oh. Alright, let's open this. So, let's open this Vegas pack. Okay, Derek Engeland, Lucas Ibiza, and Malcolm Subban. Okay, great. Of course, they got the memorable moments. Special card that you get for spending money there in the store for hockey National Hockey Card Day. So we got a pack here. Oh boy, wouldn't this be nice if I managed to pull a miracle and get an autograph out of this. Okay, Guy Lafleur, Mark Scheifele, Pierre-Luc Dubois, Mark Messier, and Austin Matthews. Okay, great. So let's get to the nitty-gritty here. Thank you, Mirage, for the extras. Bill. Okay, great. Break this sucker open. Come on, Connor McDavid autograph patch. Still trying to get Connor McDavid hits a few years after the fact. Okay, let's go for a big hit here. Okay, so wish me luck here, guys. Let's break this sucker open. Okay, Emile Poirier. Yeah, I keep getting Emile Poirier cards. I think this is like this third card I've gotten out of Premier. Robbie Fabry rookie, 153 out of 299. Oh, Nathan McKinnon base card, 253 out of 399. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, Henrik's, that's pretty mediocre one color patch. Henrik Samuelsson, it's kind of ugly. What's that? 204 out of 375. No, let's see what we got here. Okay, that's better. Ooh, 4 patches. Okay. Vladimir Tarasenko, Alexander Steen, Kevin Shattenkirk, David Backes, 2 out of 10. Serial number 2 out of 10. Well, that's good. Oh boy, yeah, nice. That'll be going on eBay here pretty quick. Oh, okay, that's pretty good. Corey Perry, Signature Champions, 18 out of 50. And last but not least, Mike Hoffman, jersey card, 80 out of 199. Okay, so to recap here, got the Henrik Samuelsson, got some base cards, Emile Poirier, and Mike Hoffman, jersey cards, Nathan McKinnon base, Robbie Fabry rookie, 153 out of 299, Corey Perry on card, Signature Champions, 18 out of 50, and the big hit out of the box, Vladimir Tarasenko, Alexander Steen, Kevin Shattenkirk, and David Backes, gold quad patch. Not too shabby. So, guys, if you want to get a hold of me, you know what to do. Go to my eBay at 383Sean, or go to my blog on steemit.com at Sean Giroux. Sean spelled S-H-A-U-N. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully we can pull off some trades. Happy collecting.